So now we've downloaded and extracted the mean annual temperature raster model for 1961 through 1990. We can drag and drop that into our data frame, turn it on, and see for the entire North American continent the interpolated raster values based on the climate stations or the weather stations data from 1961 through 1990. Now, this is in Celsius. This is a Canadian data product, and they're using the units of science, Celsius, but they also multiplied the degrees in Celsius by 10. And they did that so they could store this data set as an integer data set, which has no decimal place, it's only whole numbers. So we need to convert this back into just normal degrees Celsius. Do that by first making this or transforming this from a integer type data set to a floating point type data set. We do that with a tool called float. That's in Spatial or 3D Analyst. And you just select your raster. I'm outputting this to my C drive. This should go to your thumb drive. Okay. And there is exactly the same data set, but now it has gone from a signed integer with a pixel depth of 32-bit to a floating point with a pixel depth of 32-bit. There are no decimals because there's no need for them yet, but we'll see in the next step that it is possible to have them within this data set. So our next tool is to divide by 10. Search for divide in 3D or Spatial Analyst. We select our floating point temperature value. Just type in 10. And again, this should go to your own drive. C will be wiped. And now we have a new raster data set where we have degrees in Celsius with decimals as they should be. So we're ready to go with this data set now.